Today I am reviewing the CANEST Smart Toilet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Upgrading your bathroom from a standard, traditional commode to a fully integrated, intelligent smart toilet is one of the single most impactful ways to elevate your home's luxury, comfort, and daily hygiene. Today, we are taking an in-depth, comprehensive look at the CANEST TC-100GE Smart Toilet with built-in bidet. This one-piece intelligent toilet is an absolute masterpiece of modern bathroom tech, packing in advanced temperature controls, a powerful internal tank flush system, customizable cleansing, and an ADA comfort height design. It is specifically engineered to bring a high-end, premium spa experience directly into your residential bathroom, but without the intimidatingly high luxury price tag. Let us break down exactly what makes this specific model an incredible, budget-friendly investment for your home. To start, let us clarify the exact model we are reviewing today, which is the TC-100GE. CANEST designed this particular unit to be a smart, value-conscious choice. It retains absolutely all of the essential, high-end electronic comfort and cleansing features you want from an intelligent toilet, while intentionally omitting the automatic lid opening sensor found on much more expensive models. Instead, both the seat and the lid feature a premium, whisper-quiet soft-close mechanism that completely eliminates accidental slamming. However, it still features smart foot sensor operation for the flushing mechanism itself. This means you get a highly hygienic, premium experience where it matters most, making it the perfect middle ground for homeowners who want luxury performance on a practical budget. One of the biggest anxieties people have when switching to a tankless-looking smart toilet is home water pressure. Many low-profile smart toilets rely entirely on your house's direct line pressure to clear the bowl, leading to weak flushes if your plumbing is older. CANEST completely solves this issue by integrating an upgraded, hidden built-in tank flush system. Because it holds its own internal reservoir, it delivers a remarkably stable, high-performance siphonic jet flush every single time, achieving a massive 1,000-gram maximum performance rating. This powerful siphon flushing technology is paired with an automatic pre-wetting function that sprays the ceramic bowl the moment you sit down, ensuring a clean, efficient rinse with zero residue. It also features a dual flush design, offering a full 1.45-gallon flush or an eco-friendly 1.08-gallon half flush, which actively saves you water and lowers your utility bills. When it comes to everyday comfort, the TC-100GE feels like a true luxury experience. It features an adaptive heating system that provides instantaneous, year-round warmth across 5 adjustable temperature levels. The heated seat ensures you never have to sit on freezing cold ceramic during chilly winter mornings. Even better, you can activate an intelligent auto adjustment mode that automatically monitors your indoor room temperature and balances the warmth of the seat, the water, and the built-in air dryer so it always feels natural and perfectly cozy, regardless of the season. The hygiene and cleansing features are where this unit truly shines. The built-in bidet utilizes a premium, self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle that automatically sanitizes itself before and after every single use. It offers fully customizable cleaning modes, including a dedicated rear wash, a gentle feminine wash, and an invigorating massage cleaning mode. Using either the sleek remote control or the convenient control knob on the side of the unit, you can easily fine-tune the water pressure, the exact nozzle position, and the water temperature to your exact preference. Once the warm water wash is complete, the built-in warm air dryer gently dries you off, vastly reducing or even completely eliminating your household's reliance on toilet paper. CANEST also put an immense amount of thought into nighttime convenience and accessibility. The toilet features a beautiful, soft LED night light built right into the bowl, giving off a gentle glow that guides your nighttime bathroom visits without the need to flip on blinding overhead lights. Directly on top of the unit is a crystal-clear digital display that shows you your exact water temperature, seat temperature, and fan speed settings at a single glance. Furthermore, you have total flexibility over how you flush the toilet, offering an off-seat auto flush that triggers when you walk away, a foot sensor flush you can kick with your toe, a remote control flush, or a manual push knob flush on the side. measuring at a comfortable 26.5 inches long by 16.8 inches wide. Its sleek one-piece profile looks incredibly modern and is exceptionally easy to clean since there are no awkward crevices between a separate tank and bowl. The unit is fully certified by UL and is CUPC listed, meeting strict North American safety and plumbing standards. CANEST backs the toilet with a dependable 1-year guarantee on all mechanical parts and the bidet seat, offering highly responsive 24-hour customer support and free replacements for defective components. Ultimately, the CANEST TC-100GE Smart Toilet is an absolute home run. It bridges the gap between elite, high-tech hygiene and everyday affordability, turning your bathroom into a clean, warm, and comforting sanctuary.